Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Babbel subscription. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, so I've highlighted a few different ways to cancel your Babbel subscription. So the first way is to go to Babbel's website. So log in, go to the official website of Babbel and then log into your account. Click on your profile name at the top right hand corner. Select account information from the drop down menu. Scroll to the subscription and payment section. Click cancel auto renewal, and now free Google Play. So I can show you this on my phone. So go to Play Store and then you want to click on your profile icon top right hand corner, click on payments and subscriptions, click on subscriptions. Babbel will appear here, it will be active. Click on the Babbel and then from there click on cancel subscription. And now through Apple for iOS, open the settings app on your iPhone or iPad, tap your name at the top, tap subscriptions, find and tap Babbel, and then tap cancel subscription. And if you've got a Mac, you can do it via the App Store. So open the App Store, click your name at the bottom of the sidebar, click view information at the top, scroll to subscriptions and click manage, find Babbel, click edit, and then click on cancel subscription. And the last way here is through PayPal. So log into your PayPal account, go to settings, gear icon at the top right, click on payments. Under manage automatic payments, click manage automatic payments, select Babbel and click cancel. And on a side note, make sure to confirm your cancellation. If prompted, your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle.